I'll be teaching you how to make some good ramen with just a regular ramen packet. So your ramen packet should come with the noodles, the base, and the flavoring. And the other ingredients you will need today is an egg, green onions, sriracha, and hoisin sauce. But you can use any sauce you want. Now take a pot and pour in some water, but not too much. And turn the heat on high. And now we're gonna put the noodles into the pot. And now we're gonna take the soup base and put it onto the noodles. Now flip the noodles onto the other side. When the water starts to boil, press the noodles down. After about 20 seconds, flip the noodles to the other side. When the noodles begin to soften, take them out and put them into a bowl. We're not done with them yet, and we'll be using them in a moment. Pour out the water and put the pot in the sink. Now grab a pan and pour in some oil. Remember, keep the heat on high. Now take your green onions and put them into the pan. And leave them there for about 1 minute. This is so that your noodles can have a good smell to them. After the minute is up, take your noodles and put them onto the green onions. After that, take your flavoring packet and put it onto the noodles. Also, pour hoisin sauce and sriracha onto the noodles. Mix the noodles with the sauces and flavoring very well for about 2 minutes. The noodles should have a very nice brown color to it at the end. When the noodles get to that color, take them out and put them into a bowl. Now pour oil into the pan. Now the real fun begins. Carefully crack your egg and drop it into the pan. Tilt the pan so that the oil goes around the egg and creates a crispy layer on the outside. After the outside of the egg is crispy, start picking at it so that the egg is movable in the pan. Turn the heat off. Now, we're going to flip the egg. It is important that you grab the side of the egg that is farthest away from the yolk. Leave the egg there for about 20 seconds so that the yolk doesn't overcook. Carefully pick at the egg and take it out of the pan into the bowl. And that's how you make some good ramen.